That even in your weakness, God's power is sufficient. Isn't life more than food and your body more than clothing? Bakit sinabi ito ng ating Panginoon? Kasi we live in constant worry na pakiramdam natin lagi tayo mauubusan ng pera. Pakiramdam natin lagi tayo mauubusan ng oras. Pakiramdam natin limitado lagi kasi limitado yung ating pananampalataya sa Diyos na may kakayanan na mag-supply na lahat ng ating pangangailangan. That even in your weakness, God's power is sufficient. As sabi ng 2 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 9, my grace, the grace of God, is all you need. Because the power that my power, sabi ng ating Panginoon, my power works best in weakness. Ibig sabihin, the more weak you think you are, or the more weak you are, mas nag-ooperate yung kagalingan ng Diyos. Mas nag-ooperate yung kapangyarihan ng ating Panginoon. So because of that, I am glad to boast about my weaknesses so that the power of Christ can work through me. Ibig sabihin, ini-encourage tayo ng ating Panginoon. When you have the Lord, you have enough.